So hey, welcome back to the channel. So I want to kind of take this opportunity to do a weight loss journey update. I haven't done one of those in a long time. And for those that have subscribed to the channel for that particular stuff, I thought I owed them a video. And it's been a long time since I've done one, so I thought it was high time to get one out. So for those of you that don't know, maybe haven't been around for very long, about 18 months ago, I started my own weight loss journey. At the time, I weighed 365 pounds. And over the course of 18 months, with the help of Zepbound and a ton of exercise and eating habit changes and all kinds of things, I've dropped over 100 pounds. So currently I weigh around 252 pounds. So my goal weight is basically 239.9 pounds. That's what I want to be. I want to be below 240 pounds. Time of my last video, I was weighing at 149.9 pounds. So I thought that if I just continued on with what I was doing, eating right, I guess if you want to say that, and just continue on with my exercise, that by now I would have dropped that amount of weight. It's just like 10 pounds. And I thought that would be pretty easy to do if I just continued on with what I was doing. But boy, I was dead wrong. I was completely wrong. It's been tough. I mean, it has been tough. Now, my diet hasn't been exactly what it probably should be. I'll admit that. I've kind of veered off from what I was doing before. But I will say that I'm not, it's nothing crazy. Like, I'm not, eating hamburgers and french fries every day. That's not even close to what I do. But, I mean, it could be better. But then again, it could be worse, I guess you could say. But I just don't think it's anything crazy. And my exercise has been stayed relatively the same. I mean, literally, I go work out in the mornings at the gym, and I go back in the afternoon and walk on the treadmill for at least 30 minutes. 30 minutes to 45 minutes to 50 minutes, somewhere in there. So I go to the gym twice a day and try to keep my eating what as best I can. Let's put it that way. And it really has surprised me that no weight basically has come off. Literally no weight has come off since my last video. I've basically stayed the same. What's even crazier about not losing weight is the maintaining of the weight. Like, all I've done was maintain. And what I can't wrap my mind around is how hard it is to maintain the weight that you're currently at. Like, I know how much work I put into it. I know the diet that I've been on, and just to maintain where I've been, even after all that, even after all the workouts, even after the diet, all that stuff, just to maintain after all that for so long, it's just nuts. I mean, it's so hard to maintain where you are. I mean, I can't believe I haven't lost a pound. To be honest with you, I can't believe I haven't lost a pound. But I decided last week, you know what? I'm tired of this. I'm tired of just maintaining. I'm ready to lose that final 10 pounds no matter what the cost. So I decided, you know what? I'm going to get back into the game. I'm going to get back to what brought me to this level of success with my weight loss journey. So I've decided to increase my intensity uh, as far as my weight loss journey goes, which is, it's hard to say because I really haven't never let up. But I decided that in order to get down to where I want to be, obviously I want to have to, increase the effort more than I anticipated. What am I going to do? What's my plan? You got to go into these things with a plan. How am I going to lose that last 12 pounds? Like, that last 10 pounds, the last 10, 15 pounds can just be almost impossible because, you kind of get this mindset of like, I've made it. That 100 something pounds, 13 pounds is going to be a piece of cake. But man, it is the absolute hardest. It's the hardest thing that I've done in this whole journey, for sure. Well, what I'm going to do is starting yesterday, I started my journal again, documenting my diet and my exercise routine. And I think that's important just to get back to basics. What I'm going to do with my diet is I'm going to start drinking them dang protein shakes for breakfast and lunch, if possible. I know it's not going to always be possible because them things literally make me sick to my stomach. And maybe that's why they're so effective and everything. But I want to try to drink one of those at least for breakfast, and try to get through lunch lightly. Hopefully with just one of those shakes, and then for dinner, low carb dinner is what the plan is so far. As far as my exercise, I think I'm gonna have to increase the amount of exercise that I'm getting, which seems absolutely insane to me. Like, I am 50 years old. I got lots of stuff going on in my life. I already exercise twice a day. How am I going to fit another one in? Or how am I going to fit anything else in? Like, bro, I only have so much time in a day. You know, I can't go spend 3-4 hours at the gym. I just don't have that kind of time. But I decided that during the week, I'm going to do in the morning before I come to work, which has always been a thing. And then at lunch, I'm going to grab one of those shakes for lunch and then go walk on the treadmill during lunch. 30 minutes. That's about all the time I got during lunch. And then go back in the afternoon and do additional workouts. This is all to lose the last 13 pounds. Once I'm done doing that, it's over with. But I think to get that done, this is what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to recommit myself to the diet, mainly to the diet, and also to the exercise part of it. During the week, that's what my exercise goals are going to be. Now, am I going to be able to get all that done? I don't know. I mean, life is crazy. There's all kinds of stuff going on. I will try the best I can to make that happen. 3 workouts a day, that seems nuts. On the weekend, I'm just going to have to go down to the one long workout. Right now, I do one medium-sized workout on the weekends. So now I want to do one long workout on Saturday and Sunday. So, I mean, it just blows my mind to think about what it takes to maintain one's weight and what I'm willing to do to lose the last 14 pounds. I mean, it is like, from where I came from 18 months ago, like I say, it's a wonder that I didn't weigh 500 pounds, because there was no workout going on. My diet was complete trash. I mean, I was eating fast food pretty much every day. And of course, it's just amazing to me that I didn't gain more weight. I didn't gain more weight, seeing how hard that I had to work just to maintain what I've lost. I mean, it blows my mind. So, anyway, that's kind of a long story about my weight loss journey, how it's going, and what I plan to do in the future. And I'll update you next week. Again, what is it? Tuesday. I'll try to do another video next Monday on the weight loss journey. I went again, weighed in this morning at 252. Hopefully I can lose that last 13 pounds, man. It is tough. It is tough. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, make sure you drop a like. I think the next video, I want to talk about the Sigma 17 to 40 APS-C lens I got. If any of you guys are interested in hearing about that lens, let me know down in the comments section. Catch you on the next one.